watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. A quick curry chicken stew. Yes, a quick curry chicken stew. Looking delicious, and it smells wonderful. The fragrance of the curry is incredible. The aroma of the curry, and the taste of the chicken on the palates of my tongue. It tastes delightful. This is WinstonGeLCooking and DiscoveryTV. Thanks for viewing. See you soon. Hey my friends, this is WinstonGeLCooking and DiscoveryTV. Yes, this was a chicken that was being cooked on the stove. Yes. Hot and spicy chicken curry stew. Yes. So this is my dinner for today, Sunday. This is a cabbage and carrot salad with tomato and cucumber. Yes. Cabbage and carrot with tomato and cucumber. And this is the hot and spicy chicken curry stew with romaine lettuce and of course seasoned rice. Yes, seasoned rice, special seasoned rice with green peas and yellow corn. And to top it off with some nice refreshing cran grape. Yes, ocean spray cran grape. And some Italian salad dressing to go in the salad. Yes, this is what I will be having for my dinner. And you're seeing this on the WinstonGeLCooking and Discovery TV. So from stove to plate, and from plate to my tummy. And the food is saying, hello tummy, I am waiting, don't keep me waiting too long. I am hungry. My mouth is running water. Yes, because the aroma is so refreshingly delightful, and the hot and spicy curry chicken stew is so yummy yum, appetizingly delicious. Yes, and the salad here. I'm gonna enjoy this salad right here. Yes, you're seeing this on the WinstonGeLCooking and Discovery TV. Yes. Please yes, delightful, delicious, tasty dish on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. My plate. Yes, this is my dinner plate with some very nice, yes, interesting, yes, items on my plate. You're looking at hot and spicy chicken curry stew. You're looking at seasoned rice. Yes, seasoned rice with yellow corn and green peas, lettuce, romaine lettuce, yes, cabbage and carrot,